Once we finished with the profile, it's time to do the contact information section. For this, for example, we'll get the section number 2 and we'll paste it after the third section. Alright, here it will be contact us, and we'll create our HTML form inside. Type form element, then we close the form element, and inside we'll have email, name, and message. We'll paste everything within paragraphs. So within the first paragraph we'll type a label, and it will be an email address here. Then our input field, which will be a type of text. So if we save and refresh here, so we see that the contact form is starting to appear. Let's continue writing the same for the name, and we'll write text area here. It will be write your message. This time it will not be input but text area. And for the button of submit, we'll use a button of type submit. Here the text will be sent. And now we have all the 3 elements in our form. Now it's time to style the form. We go to our CSS file, and before the media query here in the general file, for the label we would like to have a font size of 0.9 em, and then to be a little bit transparent, so opacity of 0.8 will give a border color of our elements when they are focused. So we will just type input, type text when we focus on such element. Then we would like to target when the user is focusing on the text area, and we would like to change the border color. So let's test what's going on now. When we click here, we see that the border is blue. Then again, we would like to target those elements, but with their initial state, not a focused one. So we target the input and text area elements simultaneously. And for the style, we would like to give them a background color, a padding, so they're not stacked together, and a border of 1 pixel with a certain color. When we refresh, we see that they are becoming bigger. We'll give a line height of 1.4 rems. So we'll give a width of 100%, and by now they should be looking very similar. Okay, this is so far our form. It's time to style the send button. The same way, we just copy this rule and type in front button type submit, and inside we'll give a different background color and a white color of the letters. We'll give padding, margin of auto to center the text inside, and that so far is our button. We would like also to remove the border from the button, so we'll type border of 0 pixels, and that's our form. So when we click on the profile, this is our profile sections, and now we also have the contacts us section.